Hey everyone, how's everyone doing today? This is Yogesh. In this video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about ClickFunnels, what they are, and which business you can use it for. Because since I've been involved with ClickFunnels, a lot of people somehow ask me a question regarding what the ClickFunnel is and can I use in this business, can I use in that business, and some exciting part is about 2 weeks ago, ClickFunnel actually ramped up their homepage and did it some, they did some awesome things. So where people just said you who is want to know more about ClickFunnels, is it good for my business, can actually take a quiz and actually can find out, and they will actually send you the case studies, tell you a little bit more about the case study with people who will in your business and how they became successful by using ClickFunnels. All right, so let's go. So once you click on the, well, I'm going to also drop in the link at the below the video, so you can click on the link and it will take you directly to the ClickFunnels homepage, and from there you can do a quiz. And I urge anyone who wants to know more about ClickFunnels, wants to know if their ClickFunnels is best fit for my business, or whatever you were thinking of using them, try to take a quiz, and you'll find out. So in this case, I'm just at the home page, and let's go to the start taking a quiz, and to find out which funnel will work for your specific business. So let's say I am in affiliate, so I click on affiliate. Where did you hear about ClickFunnels? I'll say from the Facebook. And how long you've been in business? I'll say 0 to 2 years on an online business. Before that, I was offline, so let's say 0 to 2 years. And what currently are you using? I don't have any funnels at all. So this is me before getting involved with the ClickFunnel, and let's see what they say. So, and then you just go to step 2, click, and this is where they actually sorry guys, I think the videos, yeah, okay, so this is where they actually look for all the answers for the quiz I given to them, and then they go through their data to figure out what is the best fit in terms of the funnel, and any case study they have on their website, database, they should, they will send it to me. So let's say in this case, so blogger and affiliate, so Sarah Wells. So so what you need to do is send it, enter in your best email address. So I will, and off you go, and then send me the case study now. You click on there, and it will, yeah, it will emails you the case study, and also will forward you to the web page. The next step in the thing where it tells you a little bit more about about Sarah Wells and her story and how she became successful. In my case, I put it on for the affiliate and the blogger, and what funnels they used. She used to become successful, and how was she able to become successful, and if it feels something that you might be able to do it, I suggest you guys go ahead and first do the quiz and look at the case study, and then after the case study, what I suggest to you, okay, the video is taking a little bit longer, so yeah, okay, so it just tells you a little bit more about business. So you need customers to buy a product, you write about them so you can generate business, affiliate commissions, and then it goes on. If I go, and the main thing is you want to become a profitable. So why the ClickFunnel is the avenue or platform that you can use to become profitable in your business. Um, yeah, sorry guys, I think it's taking a little bit longer for the video to load, but anyways, you get the gist of it, what it is. And if you scroll down at the bottom of it, I think they also have some other stuff about ClickFunnels, a little bit more related to um, the question answers you've given it to your quiz. And then there is also a button to sign up for your 14 days trial, which is free, so you can start it and use the case study and use the funnel that they've given to you in the case study to help you out to start with your business. And you have about 2 weeks to figure it out if this is what your this platform, which is ClickFunnels, will help me. It has helped tons and tons of people with their business, and I'm hoping it will help you guys with your business. So suggestion, the first step is click the link below. It will take you to the home page, and from there do the quiz and put in your email address, and it will and then generate what is the best funnel and what is the best case, and give you a case study to you directly to your email, and also will redirect you to that page. Alright guys, hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this post. And any question, comments, put in the comment section, and I'll answer it. Thank you guys.